Welcome to Ratnamani Finow Spooling Solutions Private Limited, RFSS. Our new factory spread across 53,000 square meters, equipped with world-class facilities to deliver excellence in fabrication and spooling solutions. We begin with Bay 1, induction bend and machine shop, the heart of precision bending and machining. Here, raw material storage ensures organized handling for smooth operations. Next, the rolling machine shapes steel with unmatched accuracy for structural integrity. Our plasma cutting machine delivers clean and precise cuts, setting the foundation for quality fabrication. Every component undergoes incoming inspection, guaranteeing quality from the start. Our advanced 3D plasma cutting machine brings complex geometries to life. The pipe cutting section ensures exact dimensions for every project. Cold bending machines provide flexibility and strength in forming. Heavy-duty induction bending machines, which can bend pipes up to 120 millimeters thickness, deliver precision bends for critical applications. Quality remains our priority, with a dedicated inspection area for thorough checks. The furnace, with quenching tank, enhances material properties for durability. HBMs for edge preparation ensure perfect finishing for welding and assembly. Surface integrity is maintained through shot blasting and painting, guaranteeing corrosion resistance. Finally, product passes the hydro test area, validating strength and safety. Moving to Bay 2, stainless steel fabrication shop, we start with raw material storage. Shop is equipped with global standard CNC/VMCs for edge preparation, ensuring precision. Our semi-auto welding stations combine efficiency with accuracy. Advanced robotic welding stations deliver unmatched consistency and speed. Our X-ray bunker ensures weld integrity through advanced testing, complemented by manual welding stations for specialized tasks. An area for surface cleaning guarantees a flawless finish. Finally, Bay 3, carbon steel fabrication shop, mirrors the advanced capabilities of our stainless steel bay. We conclude with packing and dispatch, where every product is prepared for safe delivery worldwide. At RFSS, we are not just building spools, we are creating solutions that power industries and shape the future. Thank you for visiting our facility. We are future ready.